Good morning students, a very warm good morning to all of you. Today we are here to discuss some topic of mathematics related, that is addition and subtraction. Before starting the lesson, some warm up is given there, just see what it is. Yes, the first one is across, means 4792 minus 1475. First round off the number nearest to the tens. So when we are now round up nearest to the tens, it is equal to 4790, okay, and minus 1480, so it is equal to 3310. So 2 means 3310, okay. Now see the number, this one 3478 plus 2413, so it is equal to 5891. Where is the 4? 5891, okay. Now in this way you have to do the addition and do the remaining one. Yes, see the 11 one. 1 plus 1 to 17 means it is 2700, okay. Now again down you have to form 1. Where is the 1? Yes, you just have to do this, you will get, yes, it is 8947 plus 142, so is equal to 9089. So 9089 means our answer is right, okay. In this way you have to solve the puzzle. Now what about the addition? So students, you have already done the addition in the first, second, third, fourth standard. Yes, just see combining two or more numbers together is called the addition. Yes, the numbers that are added are called the addends and the answer is called the sum. For addition, we write the addends according to the places of their digits, one below the other in the correct columns. So you know students how to add the number. Just see the addition of 5 and 6 digit number without regrouping. Add 45,625 and 31,242. So first you have to write the number according to their place and then add the number starting from the right hand side. 5 plus 2 7, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 4 plus 3 is 7, okay. Now with regrouping, just see the number 26,198 plus 35,221, okay. Now see with regrouping how we are doing the addition. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, then 9 plus 2 is equal to 10, 11. So while 11 you are writing 1 here and carry 1 here, then 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 is 4, 6 plus 5 is again 11, so you just have to add 1 right here, 1 and carry 1 here, then 1 plus 2 is 3, 4 5 6, okay. You know how to add the numbers. Then example 2 again, it is of the lakhs, that is 4,39,875 and 3,76,248. Just see here, starting from the right hand side means from the ones. 5 plus 8 is 13, so here I have to write 3, carry 1. So 1 plus 7 is 8 and 8 plus 4 is 12. So you have to write 2 here, carry 1 again. 1 plus 8 is 9, 10, 11, write 1 here, carry 1 here. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 6 is 16, carry 1 again here. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 7 is 11, write 1 here and carry 1 here. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this way you have to do the addition with regrouping or without regrouping. Now adding 3 or more numbers. So instead of 2, if you are adding the 3 numbers, there is no change in the method. You just have to arrange the number according to their places and then simply add the number. Just see here, 3, 1 is equal to 4, 8 plus 8 plus 5. So it is equal to 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21. So you have to write 1, carry 2, 7 plus 7, 14 plus 2 is 16 and 16 plus 9 is 25. Write here 5, carry 2, then 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. Write 2 here, carry 1 here, 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 is equal to 6. So students, you know how to add the numbers if there are the 2 numbers or more than 3 numbers. Just see the my practice time 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. So here you have to write 0. Carry 1 here. 5 plus 1 is 6. 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 2, 6. 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 5, 6. And 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Now see is there is 9 plus 9 is 18. Write 8. Carry 1 here. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry 0. Write 0. Carry 1 here. Then 1 plus 6 is 7. 8, 9, 10. Again 0. Carry 1 here. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry 1 here. And 1 right here. 1. Okay. Now in this way you have to add. Just see the question number 2. In the question number 2, what is given? Solve the following. Okay. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means it is up to the lakhs. So write the number here. Lakhs, 10,000, TTS, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Okay. Start writing. The first number is 1, 5, 6, 3, then 0, 0, 3, 8, 4, and then 5, 1, 8, 6, 3, and 9. In this way if you are writing, it will be easy and better for you to write the numbers below the positions. Okay. Now add the number simply. 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 8 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry 1 here. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. And 12 plus 6 is 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Right here. 1 carry again. 1 plus 4 is 5. 6, 7, 8. And here is the 9. Okay. So in this way you have to add the remaining ones. If there are 2 or more numbers, you just have to write the number according to their positions. Okay. Now the next one is properties of addition. What is the order property? Two numbers when added in any order give the same answer. Students, that you already know. If a number is added in any order, means instead of first number, if you are writing the second number first and first number second, no change in the answer. Then what is the group property? Three numbers added in any order give the same answer. So these numbers are there. If you are adding first two numbers and then add third number, answer is this much. If you are added first and second and third number and then first, answer is same. If you are added first and third number and then second, then answer will be same. Means when you are adding the any numbers by grouping, the answer remains unchanged. What is the zero property? Adding 0 to number gives the number itself as the number. Yes, you already know when a 0 is added to any number, the answers remains same. And when one property, and when 1 is added to any number, gives the successor of that number. Means when you are adding 1 to any number, it will give the successor of that number. Just see my practice time 2. 25817 plus 1200 357 is equal to, here the number is given, which number is missing? 12,352. Okay, now 7,52,810 plus 1. Plus 1 means it gives a successor, means 810 is equal plus 1 is 811. Now 0 is added to which number? You will get the number same. Same number you are added to the 0, you will get the same number. Now here you can see 31,000, 1,200, 10,000, then which is missing, that is 251,071. Okay. Now in this we have to do the remaining. Just see the add the following using the grouping property. For that, what you have to do, you just have to first add the first two numbers and then third number. Just see the second A. 17,068 plus 4,321 plus 59,632. Okay. Now first you add these two numbers, that is 17,068 plus 4,321, and then add the third number, that is 59,632. And again here you have to write Grouping the same way, you just have to add the number and add the third one. Okay, now see the addition. 17,068 plus 4,321 is equal to 21,389 plus 59,632. So it is equal to 81,021. So here I have to write 59,632. Okay. Now again you have to do by next method. That is, first you have to add first number outside the bracket plus second number 4321 plus 59,632. Okay. Now 17,068 plus add these two numbers, which are the one 4321 plus 59,632. So it is equal to 63,953 when you are adding these two numbers plus 17,068. So it is equal to again 81,021. So on the both the side the answer will be same. So in this way you have to do the remaining one. Just see what about the subtraction. Taking away number from a greater number is called the subtraction. The number which is subtracted is called the subtrahend, and the number from which you subtract is called the minuend. The number left after subtraction is called the remainder, or it can be written as difference. Just see, subtracting 5 or 6 digit numbers. This is without regrouping. So subtract the number 54,361 from 78,579. So write the second number first. 78,579 minus 54,361. Just see, subtracted from the again ones. 9 minus 1 is 8, 7 minus 6 is again 1, 5 minus 3 is 2, 8 minus 4 is 4, and 7 minus 5 is 2. Just see, with regrouping, subtract 53,976 from 75,980. So just write the number 75,980 first and subtract 53,976. So just see here, started from the ones, the number is 0. So 0 minus 6 is not possible. Then cut the tens place number 8 and write it, subtract number 1 from that, it is 7, and add the number 1 is there, so it will be 10. So 10 minus 6 will be 4. 7 minus 7 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, 5 minus 3 is 2, and again 7 minus 5 is 2. So in this way you have to do the subtraction. Okay. Now see my practice time 3. Find the difference, means subtraction. 8 minus 9 is possible? No. So just cut the number 8 and write it as 80. Then from 0 it can't be borrow. Again 0 is the 1. So you just cut the 1, write it 0. Here is the 10, cut it as and write it as 9. Here is the 10, cut it as, write it 9, and here is the 80. Now see, 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. Then 0 is not possible, then cut it 3 and write it as 2, and here is the number 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so students, in this way have to do the subtraction. Again, arrange vertically and subtract. So you just have to arrange the number vertically and do the subtraction. See the second one. 10,000s, thousands, 100, tens and ones. Then 5, 9, 7, 8, 3 minus 3, 2, 4, 1. Okay. Now do the subtraction. 2, 4, 5, 6, and again 5. Because 3 minus 1 is 2, 8 minus 4 is 4, 7 minus 2 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, and 5 minus nothing is there, means out, right? 5. Okay. In this way you have to do the subtraction, students. Now, properties of subtraction. Subtraction with 0. When 0 is subtracted from a number, we always get the number itself as the number. Means if 0 is subtracted from any number, what is the answer? The number itself. subtracting a number from itself. If any number is subtracted from itself, you will get the answer 0. Yes, if 53,672 subtracted from 53,672, what will be the answer is 0. Means if any number is subtracted from itself, the answer will be 0. And one property is, when a 1 is subtracted from a given number, we get its predecessor as the answers. So when 1 is subtracted from a given number, it get the predecessor. Means 600, what is the predecessor of 600 is 599. Just see my practice time 4. 51,492 minus 0. What will be the answer is the number itself. Because if 0 is subtracted from any number, the answer remains same. 36,310 minus which number is get the same answer, that is again 0. So which number subtracted from this, you will get the same number, that is 211,119. Okay, now in this we have to do the remaining one. Just the next topic is checking subtraction using addition. For checking your subtraction, add the superhand and the difference. If you get the minuends as the answer, then your subtraction is correct. So while cross checking, that is your answer is right or wrong, the method is used, that is subtraction using addition. Just see, subtract from 24,561, subtract from 56,300. Okay, now first you have to subtract 56,300 minus 24,561. What will be the answer? When you are subtracting, the answer will be 31,739. Then how will you check this? You just have to add the number 24,561 plus 31,739. You will get the answer 56,300. If you are getting the answer, means your answer is right. Okay. Now addition and subtraction together. While adding and subtracting together, first add the terms and then subtract. So when the addition and subtractions both are given together, what you have to do? You just first have to add, and then what will be the answer? From this answer you have to subtract the next number. Just see here. First add the numbers, means you are adding the number. What will be the answer? Thus from this answer you have to subtract the next number. You will get the answer. Okay. Now see my practice time 5. Subtract the following and check your answer. Just see the first one, that is 21,431 minus 12,000. 1, 3, 4, 2 is got 1 and is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9 and is the 0. Yes. And how you are checking the answer? Yes, how you are checking the answer? Just write the number 12,000 plus 9,431 is the add the number 134121, means you are getting the same number, means your answer is right. Okay, now in this we have to check. See the second one, that is solve. In this first we have to do the addition. So here is the number 75,231 minus 2,000 plus 5,000. So for that 75,231 minus 2 plus 5 is 7,000. Do the subtraction. 1 minus 0 is 1, 3 minus 3, 2, cut it as 6, and 5 is as 15 minus 7 is 8, 68. So what will be the answer is 68,231. Now see the B one. 97,112 plus 31,421. Okay, now add the number 3, 3, 5, 8, 12. So what will be the answer? Here I have to write 75,231 minus 2,000 plus 5,000 is equal to 1,28,533. Okay, now in this way you have to do the remaining ones. First you have to do the addition and then do the subtraction. Okay, now see what problems are there. A manufacturing company sold 14,561 toys in a first year and 19,860 toys in a second year. Find the total number of toys. If the number total is arises, you just have to do the addition between these two numbers. Just see, On the first year 14,561, second year 19,860. Then what is the total? You just have to add the number. You know how to add, and addition you will get the answer, that is 34,421. Okay, now again Pranav scored 1,25,000 points in a game 1 and 1,99,900 points in a game 2. So which games did he score the more? Obviously it is in the second game, because it is a 1,99,999. So how much? For finding the how much, you just have to subtract 1,99,999 minus 1,25,000. You will get the answer, that is 34,999 points more in game 2 than in game 1. So students, it is the must in the word problem, you just have to write the answer in the word. Okay, you just form the sentences and then you have to do the addition or subtraction. Just see the my practice sum 6. Find the sum of largest 6-digit number. So here I have to write largest 6-digit number. Largest 6-digit number. So which one is the largest 6-digit number? Is 999,999. Means you have to do the addition. Okay, and the smallest 5-digit number. So you have to write smallest 5-digit number. So which one is the smallest 5-digit number? Is 10,000. And just do the addition. What will you get? 99990, and here is the 10. Okay, so this is the answer. So here you have to add the 5-digit odd number. Okay, 5-digit odd number. So it will be not this. It is the 5-digit odd number, means 10,001. Then you have to add the number 999,999 plus 10,001, because it is asked about the odd number. 10 carry 1, 10 carry 1, 10 carry 1, 10 carry 1, 11 carry 1, that is 10. Okay, the answer will be 10,10,000. Okay, now see the next one. In a trade fair, there were 2,01,500 visitors on one day and 99,999 visitors on the day 2. How many more visitors come on day 1 than on day 2? So for that you have to do the subtraction. So you have to write in a word, that is on a first day, on a day 1. How many are visitors? On a day 1 visitors. On day 1, how many visitors are there? That is 2,01,500. Okay, and on day 2, on day 2, how many visitors are there? 99,999. So you just have to do the, so to find out the number of visitors more is equal to 2,01,500 minus 99,999. You just do the subtraction. 201,500 minus 99,999. Okay, do the subtraction. Just type ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and here is the lakh. Okay, now 0 minus 9 is not possible, so put it at 4. Here is the 9, here is the 10. 1, 0, again cut it as 0, and it has 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Here is 10 minus 9 is possible not. Here is the 1, here is the 9, here is the 10. 1, 0, and 1. So how many visitors are more? So there you have to write thus 1,01,501 visitors are more on day 2. Okay, now in this way how to do the remaining one. So students, are you understood how to do the subtraction and how to write the sentences? Okay, now see the third, fourth, fifth and sixth are also the same. You have to follow the same for the remaining one. Now see the my practice time 7. Now estimating sums and differences. While estimating sums and differences, first round off the given numbers and then find the sum and differences. See the first example. Estimate the sum 54,015 and 19,092 to nearest tens. So nearest tens, you know how to round up the number. So 54,015 is nearest to tens is 54,020 and 19,092 is 19,090, and then do the addition. In same way you have to do the subtraction also. Just see the practice time 7. First question is, estimate the sum or difference by rounding off the number nearest to the tens. So the A, 41,890 plus 31,510. Okay, first you have to write rounding off the numbers to the nearest tens. Okay, so which number is 41,890? Is it? So it is tens, means consider 1. So it is 41,890. Okay, now then 31,512 is written as 31,510, and now do the addition. So here you have to do the addition, then you have to write add 41,890 plus 31,510. What will be the answer? Just see here. 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 9, 10, carry 1, 5 plus 8, 13 plus 1, 14, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, and 3 plus 4, 7. So the answer will be 73,400. Okay. Now see the next question. You just have to estimate the sum or difference by finding round of the number nearest to the 100. So here you have to write the A, that is 23,314 plus 14,428. So write the number rounding off the numbers nearest to the hundreds. Okay, now the first number is 23,314, so it becomes 23,300. Okay, and then 14,428, it will be written as 14,400. Now add the number, what you will get? 0, 0, 7, 7 and 3. So what will be the answer is 37,000. You have to write thus estimated sum is 37,700. Okay, now see the third one is also the same. It is nearest to the 1,000. See the A, 2,13,245 minus 45,365. So write it as 45,365 is written as 45,000. There you just have to subtract the number 0, 0, 0. Then here is the 0. Here you have to write 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Here you have to write 1. Here is the 0 minus 4 is 6. And here is the 1. So you have to write thus the estimated difference is 1,68,000. Okay students, are you understood how to find out? Yes, by rounding off 10, rounding off 100 and rounding off thousands. So you have to find the remaining one, that is 4th and 5th. Okay, follow the same for 4 and 5. So students, thank you so much for attending the class. Here we have finished the lesson number 2, that is addition and subtraction. Now we are meeting in the next class. Thank you so much.